Good morning, everyone. My name is Jamie Lehman. I'm the Program Support Coordinator for Paws and Think, and this is Paper Airplane. He's a 3-year-old Shih Tzu. Thank you for joining us for story time. These story times are part of our Paws to Read program, and today is especially for our friends at Brooke's Place and anyone experiencing grief. We want you to know that you are not alone and you are loved. So today we are going to start with a page from a book that hasn't been published yet. I am a children's author and my husband is my illustrator, and our upcoming book is titled Paper Airplanes, and that might be how somebody got his name. It's a very special project for us. It's how we met, coming together to collaborate on Paper Airplanes. So we're going to read a couple of pages from the book that hasn't been published, and we are going to read a story from one of our books that has been. So we're going to start with Pooch's Smooches. Slippery, slobbery, sliming me kisses. His nose is all wet and his breath is dog biscuits. But he is my friend, and boy am I his. So I hold my breath and I give him a kiss. It's a little slimy. So that's one of our pages from our upcoming book. And now we're going to read from our book that has been published. It's Splat and Kitty Calamity. It's 2 stories in one book, and we're just going to read one of the stories today. So we're going to go with Kitty Calamity by myself, Jamie Lehman, and illustrated by my husband, Gabriel, whose art studio we are currently in. And paper is going to help us hold the book here. I found a kitty on the street. And took it home to play with me. It scratched and bit and clawed the couch. It ran downstairs and caught a mouse. It ate my brother's goldie fish. Oh no. And mother's baked lasagna dish. It caked some mud onto its feet. And walked it onto Grandma's teeth. It broke the windows and some doors. It ruined all the hardwood floors. When Mom got home and saw the mess. That is quite a mess. Well, she did what moms do best. She wrapped me in a great big hug. That is what moms do best, isn't it? And then she helped me clean it up. As for the cat that caused the fuss, Mom said he could live with us. So that's Kitty Calamity. All right, about having pets. You know, we do love to have pets. It might not be about dogs. We've got our dog themed pieces back here, but it is about having pets. And then we're going to finish today with, let me slide over here, with Spectrum. This piece is titled Spectrum, and the title and the poem are based on Paper Airplane's brother, Spectrum. His older brother, Spectrum, is a 10-year-old Shih Tzu. And the poem is his little tongue's sticking out. So this is spectrum. Where are we heading? I'm willing and ready to travel right here by your side. Adventure awaits. It's a beautiful day, and we'd better go now while it's light. We've left all our maps. Let's stay off of the paths and discover a place all our own. Because wherever we are, here, there, or far, if I am with you, I am home. So we know when we have pets or people that we love, or animals that we love, we can feel like home wherever we are. So thank you so much for joining us for story time. Pause and Thank, everyone at Pause and Thank sends their love. We want you to be well, be safe, and we're thinking of you. Thank you so much. Say bye.